What's up, bro?
It's good to do different stuff.
It's poppin'. You wanna go get these niggas?
A little bit of Latin,
Huh?
some Latin.
What you wanna do? You wanna murder these niggas? Yeah. You want me to go get the strap? Yeah? Yeah? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go get the strap. Come on. Yo, what's up? Say Eastside. Murder gang.
He's fine.
Go get these bitch ass niggas. Huh?
You did not finish that dream.
Wanna go get these bitch ass niggas?
Ellie. Crazy.
Fuck this shit. Come on, blood. Let's go.
I'm gonna make him laugh because he
Come on.
That's good. You need somebody here.
What you wanna do? Huh? You wanna jump in the G-Ride? Huh? You wanna jump in the G-Ride, blood? Ah, that's what I'm talking about, yo. Sue Whoop. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Come on. Blood for real, nigga. Murder gang. Tell these niggas, 2 guns up. Feel me? Salute these niggas for the camera. Come on. You ready? Let's go get these niggas. Salute these niggas. Know that. Know that. Know that. East side, you feel me? Hold up.